In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slide Master in LibreOffice Impress. If you've ever spent too much time formatting the same elements on every slide, the Slide Master will change the way you work. It lets you design once and apply that design across your entire presentation, keeping everything consistent and saving a ton of time. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress and opening the presentation you want to work on. With your file open, head to the View menu and choose Slide Master. Your workspace switches to Master View, a special editing mode where the Master View toolbar appears and the canvas shows the master slide design. From here on, any changes you make will flow to all slides that use this master, so it's perfect for global styles and recurring elements. Let's set your background first. Right-click on the workspace, choose Slide Properties, then open the Background tab. Pick a solid color for a clean, professional look, or choose a gradient for subtle depth. You can also use an image. If you do, keep it light and low contrast so text remains readable. To add a logo or brand image, go to Insert, then Image, and place it where you want it. Usually a corner works best. If it ever covers text or shapes, right-click the image, choose Arrange, and select Send to Back. This keeps your content on top and your branding quietly in the background. Next, refine your text placeholders. Click the default title or outline boxes and use the sidebar properties to set the font, size, color, and alignment. Choose a font pairing that's easy to read and stick with it to maintain a cohesive look. Adjust spacing here as well so your body text has consistent margins across all slides. If you need dates, slide numbers, or a footer, go to Insert, then Header and Footer. Toggle the options you want to show and add footer text if needed, such as a brief tagline. These elements will appear in a consistent position based on the master. If your presentation has distinct sections, create a second design by clicking the New Master icon in the Master View toolbar, or right-click in the Slides pane and choose New Master. Then, right-click a master thumbnail and select Rename Master to give it a clear name like Intro Section or Content Slides. When you're done, return to normal view. In the sidebar, open the Master Pages deck, right-click the master you want, and choose Apply to Selected Slides. Select specific slides first if you only want the design on part of your deck. That's it. Your presentation now has a polished, consistent foundation driven by Slide Master.